Mango chicken is a delicious high protein fakeaway recipe that is perfect for a quick weeknight meal. It's under 300 calories and packs 41 grams of protein per serving. The best thing, it's on the table in about 15 minutes and it's certain to be a winner with the whole family.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome to my high protein kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an epic mango chicken recipe that combines the delicious sweetness from the mangoes with some wonderful savoury flavours. The result is an absolute winner of a dish that will hopefully become a regular in your weekly meal prep rotation. Right, let's do this. This is how you cook mango chicken.
So the first thing you're going to do is slice one red pepper. Yes, I am using two only because they're very small, but normally you would do this with one red pepper. And then slice 4 spring onions. Take the ends off them, trim them down a little bit, and then slice them too. Then you're going to heat some oil in a wok on a high heat and add 500 grams of chicken breast. Add some black pepper to that and fry it for a few minutes until it's pretty much cooked through. Then you want to add 10 grams of garlic and 10 grams of ginger. As always, I'm using an all-in-one paste and I'll put a link to that in the description below. Fry the garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds and then add your peppers and spring onions. Oh, there's one that went flying. Along with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, a tablespoon of fish sauce. Yes, you need it. It gives a key depth of flavor, and 50 mils of water and 150 grams of mango chunks. Now you want to fry this for about 5 minutes or so until the mangoes start to break down. Oh yeah, and please do click like and subscribe at this point in the video too. Anyway, back to the recipe. Cook the mangoes until it starts to caramelize. When you do this, it'll start to go nice and brown and it'll release more juices as well. But you can add a little splash more water if you just need to loosen things a little bit and stop it sticking. And then add some fresh basil and you're going to stir that through until it wilts, and then all you need to do from there is start to plate up and garnish with some more fresh basil.
So there we go, an absolute belter of a fakeaway recipe. Mango chicken would go really well with rice, boiled or fried, depending on how many calories you have to play with. But yeah, super quick, great option for midweek. I mean, you saw that took like cooking time about 15 minutes total, so rapid meal. Looks great and it probably will taste delicious. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Please do hit that like button before you go because it really helps me out and it helps with the channel. And if you're a new follower, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future high protein videos. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to hearing how you find this recipe once you make it in the comments. I'm off to go and eat it. I'll speak to you later.